Associated gas is a byproduct of oil extraction. In many cases, it's just burnt off. Somewhere between 150 and 200 billion cubic meters of natural gas are burnt off in gas flares worldwide every year. It's a consequence of unpreparedness of proper infrastructure for gathering, preparation, transportation and processing. It's probably the first time we see these satellite images of the main oil fields. Numerous red marks are trails of tens of flares where associated gas are burnt off. The scale of the disaster is huge. It's exactly the disaster because these flares not only pollute the air, but also facilitate global warming. Smoky flames damage ecology, cause an increase in population sickness rate, soil and water bodies pollution. Scientists consider that it leads to formation of extra cow that retains heat. As a result, greenhouse effect and swift increase of average temperatures. GTL company, consisting of high-level professionals and scientists of international standard, offers its own innovative solution of associated gas processing problem. A blue stream of gas comes from the source and enters the compressor unit. Natural gas is supplied to the input of circulating compressor, where it is mixed with circulation gas and compressed up to a working pressure of 75 atmosphere. The gas mixture is heated in a heat exchanger with a heat of reaction up to 450 degrees Celsius, and then it comes to the input of the homogeneous oxidator reactor, which receives oxygen at the same time. In reactor, these components are mixed and oxidized. After that, the reaction gas is quenched in the reactor. Water is evaporated, quenching takes place. It is the use of a reactor of homogeneous oxidation of gas which is the innovative technological part of the process of producing liquid synthetic hydrocarbons. Due to this process, the synthesis gas stage is excluded from the process. It allows avoiding extremely expensive equipment with high metal and energy consumption and constant expenses on regeneration of catalysts. From the reactor, the reaction gas comes to heat exchangers, where it is cooled with circulation gas and water. After the heat exchanger, the gas comes to separator of oxidate, where liquid reaction products are trapped. The liquid oxidate comes to the oxidate tank. The circulation gas is directed to the absorption unit for purification from CO2 and SO2. Then, by means of a circulation compressor, it is returned to the beginning of reaction in the reactor, being heated to a required temperature in heat exchangers. AGTS GTL produces gasoline which meets the standard RON 9598 and Euro 5. In accordance with customers' needs, besides gasoline, other products can be manufactured, such as diesel fuel, methanol, ethanol, formaldehyde, CO2 of high purity, dry ice, liquid carbon dioxide, and other products. AGTS GTL is fully automated. The maintenance of station can be implemented by either specialist on site or by operators by means of a remote control system. Construction of AGTS GTL requires 25 by 25 meters area. It distinguishes our station from the traditional complex synthesis gas based on method of Fischer-Tropsch.